Hello coders, welcome to my channel. My name is Lablonge Kalalizi and today I am going to tell you 15 websites that you can visit today and start learning how to code for free and get a certificate at the end of the course. Are you the one who want to migrate into programming? Do you want to learn how to code but you don't know where to start? Maybe you have searched all over Google but you never found a website, a proper website that is going to teach you how to start building your websites. You want to become a web developer and start building your own websites. You want to become a web designer and start designing those web pages and other things. So this is the video for you. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel because I am going to post new videos that will teach you how to code. I am going to upload new videos that will give you the basics or the starting points on how you can migrate into programming. So if you are new here, I ask you to please subscribe to this channel so that you must not miss out on the upcoming videos. 15 websites to learn programming in 2021. Today I'm going to tell you 15 websites that you can sign up right now and start learning how to code. So if you have your computer with you or if you have your phone with you, start Googling this website and sign up and select your courses depending on what you want to learn. So website number 1, BitDegree. BitDegree is a really nice website that even me, I have signed up with when I started learning front-end development. If you want to become a front-end developer, if you want to become a back-end developer, or if you want to know the basics of databases from the basics to the advanced knowledge, you have to sign up today into BitDegree. BitDegree is going to teach you HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for free. You are even going to learn PHP, jQuery, and SQL. And all these courses, you are going to learn them for free. So if you are the one who is ambitious enough and want to learn quickly how to code, you can sign up into BitDegree. So open your Google now and type bitdegree.com. You are going to find these courses. So sign up today. BitDegree is the course for you, for beginners and for those who are advanced already. You don't need to have a basic experience if you are still learning or if you want to migrate into technology. So you don't need any experience to start with BitDegree. So website number 2, you can search for Coursera. Coursera is a huge popular website now that is actually teaching how to program, how to code. And this website has partnered with many universities, even DOT, UKZN. Many students have signed up into Coursera for free. You can learn all the courses for free because it's in partnership with your university or your college. And if you are not a student, Coursera, you can still sign up with your personal email address and start learning. Select your courses that you want to learn. There is more courses there. You can learn Python, Java, HTML and CSS, IoT programming, C languages, introduction to programming. So you don't need any experience into programming. If you are still learning, if you are still starting, you can sign up into Coursera. And even if you have started working as a software developer or a web developer, or you are experienced in the industry and you want to advance your knowledge, so Coursera is also a good place for you to start learning today. So start now, go to Google, type Coursera.com. Um, you are going to find this web page, sign up and start learning. So website number 3, Code Academy. I think most of you have heard of Code Academy, but it's really a nice website for beginners. If you want to start learning how to code, if you want to become a web developer, this is the right website for you. You are going to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, PHP, Python, Ruby. So select a language that you want to specialize in and start your journey today. If you are the person who enjoy coding, So you have to go and visit. If you are the person who enjoy programming, or maybe you want to migrate into technology but you don't know the tech world, I think Code Academy is a real right place for you to start. Website number 4, look for EDX. This is really amazing because EDX has a lot of content, has a lot of courses that are being uploaded every day. You are going to learn front end development, back end development, data science, data analytics. You are going to learn computer science. You are going to learn a lot of specializations that you want. So you are going to learn HTML, CSS, Java, C++, SQL, mobile app development, Python. You have to select a coding language that you want to learn today and start learning. ETX has a lot of courses, not only in tech, but a lot of courses even in business and social skills that you might want to specialize in, especially if you have started working or you are still looking for a job. So start searching a lot of courses that are free on EDX. EDX, you will learn for free. All the courses they are free, but at the end of the course, you might have to pay for your certificate. But to access all the content, you're going to access them for free. Uh, Website number 5, Khan Academy. I think most of you have heard the story of Khan Academy. Khan Academy is really a good website if you want to become a web developer or if you want to become a web designer. Go and Google Khan Academy. You are going to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and database. So this is the beginning website for beginners to advanced. If you want to become a web developer, start your freelancing job or start building your own website, go and search for Khan Academy. It's going to give you all the content that you are looking for. Number 6, Code Wars. I don't know if you have heard of Code Wars, but this also, it's going to give you challenges. If you are the person who always lack challenges, you are going to learn a lot in this website. It has Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, Python, SQL, and Ruby. So this is really a website for those who want to learn while practicing what they are learning. Instead of watching only the videos, you are going to practice while learning. So you have to go into Google and type Code Wars. You are going to find this learning websites that will teach you from the beginners to the advanced developers, and select the language that you want to specialize in. Website number 7, Udemy. I think everyone is familiar with Udemy. Udemy is really a nice website to start learning programming today. Udemy, you will find some courses that are payable, and you are going to find courses that are for free. And even though those courses that are payable, they are not that expensive. Udemy is a right website to start with if you are just starting your journey into web development. You're going to learn a lot of into Udemy. There is a lot of courses for web development, game development, mobile application development, e-commerce site creations, and all programming languages you could ever want to learn. So Udemy is really a right place. You are going to find the courses that are payable and other courses that are free. And if you want to pay, is not even a problem because the courses here are so cheap, they are on sales. Every day when you log into your Udemy account and explore through the courses, you will find a lot of courses there but are really cheap. And you can even explore those courses that are for free. So if you really want to start today, go and search for Udemy. You will find a lot of courses there for free. So website number 8, freecode.com. I guess everyone knows about freecode.com. This is a huge website that have a lot of courses, and many developers have used freecode.com. Even those who have graduated into BTech, into other advanced diploma or tech, computer science, they always go to freecode.com because Free Code Camp has really amazing content to start learning how to code. And these courses are too long. Don't be so discouraged because the course it has a long content. You just have to be patient. If you are willing to learn, you will learn HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, Node.js, React.js, database, Git, and GitHub. Mostly everything that you are looking for to start your web development journey. So you have to go and look for free code camp website and start learning today for free. Website number 9, we have Code Conquest. Code Conquest is just huge. You are going to learn what coding is. So if you are a beginner and you want to start learning how to code today, but you don't know how to start, you don't even know, you don't understand what is coding. So in this website, you are going to learn what is coding. You are going to choose what language you want to learn. You are going to know how to improve while you are learning. You have to know, you are going to learn new knowledge and skills and applying these skills to real life problems. So this website is going to expose you into real life problem, and you're not just going to code because you're applying your knowledge. You're going to learn a lot of skills here: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Ruby, jQuery, Python, and MySQL. So once you are done with your course, of course, you will be able to start building your own website. So go look for Code Conquest and start learning today. So website number 10, the Auditing Project. Just the way you hear it, it has a lot of projects inside this website. While you are learning, you're actually also coding, you are practicing your knowledge. You are going to learn HTML and CSS, JavaScript, Ruby, database, and how to get this. So actually, you don't need to learn all these things that I am just saying. You have to select one language that you want to specialize in and start learning that language until you memorize it, until you know well how to work with it. So go search for the Odin project, and start doing those real life projects, because this is what programming is. Programming is all about solving a problem. It's all about logic. So you have to be able to think logically in order to understand programming. Website number 11, W3 School. I think most of people are aware of W3 School because many people, even colleges, universities, while they are doing their practical in the classes or in the laboratories, they go through W3 School. So you are going to learn a lot of things here: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL and PHP, Python and Java, C++ and C Sharp, and many more. With W3 School, I really love this website because actually you are not watching videos, but you're actually learning on your own. You are reading and then you practice what you're reading. It has a lot of tutorials that help you to become an expert, from a beginner to an advanced programmer. So go and look for W3 School. This is really an amazing website for beginners. So 11, website number 11. This is really nice. Hacker.io. It has Python, JavaScript, and Java. It has Android development. If you are the one who want to start producing those apps, go and learn Android development. You're going to learn C and C++, PHP, data structure and algorithm, and many more. As I said, you don't have to learn all these languages at the same time. Just go and select one language that you want to specialize in and become good at it. If you are the one who want to migrate into programming and you really want to code, so go and look for this hacker.io and select today the language that you want to learn coding. So website number 12, we have bento.io. I think most of you haven't heard about this website, but this website, the owner of this website, believe that you shouldn't have to pay to learn to code and want to provide you with all the coding knowledge that you are interested in. How amazing is that? So the tutorials are organized into tracks and allow you to see an overview, how much time it will take and if you've already started or completed it. So this is really encouraging because I like that as well when I'm learning to know how far I have gone. I like it when I'm learning to know how many hours still remaining for me to finish this course. And I always like it when I'm doing tutorials because it helped me practice what I've learned. It's not just in my eyes or in my head, but also I'm learning how to code. I am actually practicing what I'm learning. So go and search for bento.io and start learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git, Python, SQL, Shell, Flask, and Heroku. So it depends of what language really you want to specialize in. Me, I really like being a software developer, and I also enjoy all these websites. So you have to choose, go and visit all these websites and make your choice which one you want to learn from. Website number 13, Google Android Training. Really, this is amazing and this is real. You might be asking yourself, huh, Google? Yes, this is Google. Google Android Training. It has a lot of specialization. And the good thing about this website, you are going to learn specialities: Android development, web development, Firebase, machine learning, and TensorFlow. And this is a most of the specialties that are being looked at into tech industries. So this is great website to start learning today and start your journey into programming, your journey into technology. And after these courses, you can go and apply for a job anywhere. And imagine how amazing it is. You are doing a course, and that course is created by Google Developer Training Team, and you are able to learn and receive Google Developer certification. Then from the experts themselves, you're actually going to receive certificate from Google itself. And you can take this certificate to the industry where you're applying for jobs, and they are going to take it because it's really recognized. So go and start and search for Google Android training and start learning today. Website number 14, Appskill. Appskill is free online boot camp that will take you from beginner to advanced development. And the main focus of the course is teaching you web development, and it is a great place to start. Even if you have no experience, you are going to learn a lot in this one website. Upskill, we're going to teach you WordPress plugin development, WordPress best practices, JavaScript, HTML5 and CSS3, PHP, MySQL, Node.js, Ruby, and many more. So go and start if you are the one who always want to learn how to use WordPress. So this is really a nice website for you to start learning. So number 15, we have Idabeat. So I think if you never heard about this website, but I'm telling you, this website is really amazing. So instead of coding tutorials or courses where you watch a video and then try to repeat it yourself, so Idabeat offers best size challenge so you can practice your ability. You're actually not watching tutorials or videos, but they're giving you a real life problem challenge and go and solve it. So you're going to select your level, whether you are a beginner, whether you are an expert. So you are going to select where you are, and they give you a question and code it to solve that problem. So you are going to get C sharp, or whether you code in C sharp and or C++, whether you code in Java and JavaScript, PHP, Python, Ruby, or Swift. So you are going to select the language of your coding. So this is really not suitable for beginners, but it's for those people who like challenging situations, those who want to solve problems. And if you have arrived at the end of this course, so the bonus, I have a bonus for you. Go and search for Iguppiware. Iguppiware actually has a lot of courses that are offered from MIT, Stanford, and Columbia universities. So they offer computer science, Swift programming, security testing, how awesome, hacking, Linux, and many more. So a goopy where go and search for that on Google and you start your journey today. So coders, tell me which website you prefer, right below in the comments. I know that there is a lot of websites that you can start using today to learn how to code for free, but I have found out this is my top 15 to learn how to code. On the next video I can add more for you and reach maybe 30 websites that you can start learning how to code today for free and get certifications. Thank you so much for your time. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss on upcoming videos. If you actually want to learn how to code, if you want to migrate into technology, if you want to use a lot of you want to learn how you can use technology in your life to gain a living, subscribe on this channel because there is a lot of videos coming along. Thank you.